Nice belt, ha? Yan. Sino yan? Sino yan?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob!
Ay, SpongeBob.
May caterings ka pa. Ay, anong name mo nga pala, darling?
Venus.
Venus, that's why meron siyang Venus on her face. It's glittery, no? Nice dangling na. Taga ng muscle.
Huwag kang tatabi sa akin mamaya, pre.
Here's the question, Venus.
Huwag kang tatabi sa akin.
Here's your question. Very good question to. Napakadali. If time is gold, why not silver?
Roses are red. Dali lang yan, pre. Because of the gravity.
Again, ibigay question ko, if time is gold, why not silver?
Because of the metal.
Yes, according to you. Because, because it's
According to you.
it's according. Okay, it's according to me. That's it, Miss Venus. Okay, a big hand for Miss Venus. Thank you.
Hoy!